Okay, I hope now it is fine. Now, yeah. So we have given the pre-shared key 20.1.1.1 to show history. We will copy this. Phase one. Now in phase two, we have to change the transport mode. So crypto IPsec transform set, name of the transform set, ESP 3 days, ESP shard map. You have to type mode transport. And one more thing, you have to play with ACL Okay, disconnection. Now, one more thing you have to change access list 100 permit IP. Now, interesting traffic is host and host 20.1.1. That is the only change you have to do. And then call crypto map my map IPsec ISAC match address 100 set peer 20.1.1.1 set transform set my set. Okay, so come out of this. and call it under the interface f0/0 crypto map my. Do show history. I gave you the permission. You can record. 1 second again. I'll check now. Do show history have done. Okay. So what changes you have to do is here you have to make it 10. You have to reverse this. Here you have to make it 10. Copy and then okay. So I'll open the Wireshark first of all. Now try to understand this tunnel is not for this loop back to loop back. If I will try to ping also, there is no reachability. You will notice tunnel is not forming send without like it is going without IPsec. So tunnel is this time transport ping to 20.1.1.1. Enter. Check here. See this main mode, quick mode, and then ESP. Now, actually, encapsulation you cannot see here. AH mode I will show you, but for your understanding, see this because this is encrypted, it will be like this. You're sending ICMP, your source IP, it won't come because we do not have that inner IP header. So actually what we do, it put ESP here and outer IP header will be 10.1.1.2, 20.1.1.2. So we do not have any inner IP header. The inner IP header will make sense better because that is private IP and outer IP is a public IP which will transport. Now this time we are making sure that if you are forming a transport tunnel between these two sides, these two should be public IP. And you need only point-to-point tunnel between these two router only. Here it is like a complete subnet between that you are making a tunnel. So difference is there. So I'll show you that encapsulation now. Next thing is AH mode. Pretty much clear things will be clear here once I will configure. But before that, I'll show you a few things. But next point, I'll just put it across. We are going to do site. AH mode will start with tunnel. Then we have to change the ACL again. Okay, now few things I'll show you. Now question, one of the question they ask is, first of all, few verification command. I'll show you. Show crypto ISACamp essay. My phase one is up. Show crypto IPsec essay. If you will notice, this is transport mode and packet is encryption and decryption is there. Now, if suppose I have to clear, maybe I have told you yesterday, again I'll repeat if I did, how to clear phase one. Now, to clear phase one, clear crypto ISACamp, enter. Show crypto ISACamp essay. You will notice deleted, and then there will be one informational message which will tell that I'm deleting my phase one. You also delete your phase one. So you will notice on R3, show crypto IP, not IPsec, ISACamp essay, deleted. But phase two is still up. Show crypto IPsec essay. Okay, if suppose I will tell you that I want to reach this, encryption decryption will happen. So now try to understand. Phase one is gone, but phase two is there, right? But phase two is different. Sorry, not 1 year. Its validity is 1 hour. So for next 1 hour, packet will pass through. Then issue will come. But right now, there will be no issue. Okay, packet will go freely. Other part is, what if on one side I will delete phase two? Now how to delete phase two? Go to interface F0/0, give no crypto map, and then again give crypto map my map. Okay, check show IPsec essay. You will see that encryption decryption count will reset it to 0, meaning your phase two is deleted now. Okay, now what I will do, on the other side, phase two is still there. Show crypto IPsec essay. So this encryption decryption counts are there. So I will initiate a traffic from here, ping to 20 10.1.1.1. See this? He's sending straight away data. Problem is there, one error message will come that the data what I received is encrypted, and he cannot decrypt because here phase two is also deleted. Okay, so that is one of the error message you will going to get. Receive packet invalid SPI because I do not have anything. Okay, I've deleted my phase one, phase two here. If this guy will going to ping to the other guy pinging, what happened? They will go into form phase one, both, but they don't have phase one, so then they negotiate and they will create the keys. That is the difference. So show crypto, IPsec, SA, everything is up and running here. Okay, so this basic thing you have to remember. Again, I'll clear crypto, ISAC and clear sorry no crypto my map sorry no crypto map then crypto map my map re-enabled again on R3 phase 1 as it is deleted because of that command. Phase 2 is not deleted. So interface of 0/0 no crypto map my map show crypto as a camp. Okay, everything is deleted. Now we have to change the configuration. Now what you have to do actually is you have to delete that ESP command. Now try to understand if you will straight away go to that particular command, this command. Oh, it's not written. So what I will do, I'll show you. I have copy that command. See, we need to delete this command. But try to understand we cannot delete this command straight away because this command is called inside crypto map and crypto map is called inside this. So at least what we have to do is we have to remove this. I'll show you. And then we have to remove this. First of all, I'll try to remove straight away. Let's see what error message will come. Copy. I'll type no and transform set my set is used in a crypto map. Okay. So that's why go to crypto map now. Crypto map. No to set transform set my set. Once you will delete this, then only you can delete. Now, when you're doing this, change it to age. Age chart and okay, and mode will give tunnel, so by default tunnel. Okay, and then again go back to camp and re-enable. Same thing to do show history and copy this. Other side also it will change. Okay, so we'll initiate. Now this time if suppose you're using 220.1.1.1, it will ping 1 second. I think I have not changed the ACL. Sorry, I have to change the ACL. Clear crypto camp. So what changes you have to do is no access list 100, access list 100, permit IP 1.1.1.0 and 3.3.3.0 and do show history. From here I will start. Access list I won't write, it will be a reverse. So okay, so access list 100, permit enter. Now if you will ping from this side, you will first of all notice this is not your VPN traffic. Okay, now that is a transport mode, but we use tunnel mode. So ping to 3.3.3.3 with source loopback 0 or 1.1.1.1. Main mode, quick mode. Now notice AH. Now it's quite visible what is inside because AH disadvantage, it won't encrypt. So you are sending ICMP, inner IP header, AH, outer IP header. Similar way, when we will do transport mode, you will notice that this inner IP header will not be there. So I'll show you that also. Site to site, AH with transport mode. So again, clear to second interface /0 crypto map and okay. Now we have to do one change. Now no need to delete any crypto map from your crypto, like inside crypto map you have to delete that set transform set. No, straight away go here and give mode transport, exit and change the ACL. No to access list 100, permit I think I have wrote, but IP, no, that is different. 10.1.1.1 to host 20.1.1.1. Can do show history. This much I'll copy. So access list 100, ten dot one dot one. Now we will initiate. If you will try to initiate this traffic, you will notice it won't go via tunnel. But then when I'll try to initiate, done. If I'll show you the header, this is ICMP, no inner IP header, only outer IP header. So this is your, like, including yesterday's practical, so for practical AH tunnel, whatever we discussed. Now one more thing we discussed in phase one, we have two type of mode, main and aggressive mode. We have seen the handshake. Let's do the aggressive mode. Side to side. Now aggressive mode. Aggressive mode, whatever the above four combination you can use. Tunnel, transport, ESP, AH. Okay. So let me change the aggressive mode. So what we have to do is, one command I have typed in pre-shared key, that I have to change. No crypto ISACamp key 0 Cisco 123 address 20.1.1.1. Same thing on the other router. No crypto ISACamp key 0 Cisco address 10.1.1.1. So what you have to do now, aggressive mode command are a little different, but then you need to understand crypto ISACamp peer address is 20.1.1.1. Set aggressive mode. Your pre-shared key is Cisco 123. Set aggressive mode. Client endpoint IPv4 address tunnel destination 20.1.1.1. This is the change. Do show history. This is what you need to type the command. So I'll copy this. First of all, I'll copy and paste it here. Here we'll do the change 10 and 10. Okay. Now we'll initiate the traffic. So ping to 20.1. Pinging. Okay, I have not deleted the. See, if you want to clear the phase one and all those things, will take the previous one. Clear crypto. Do show history. Notice This time aggressive mode rather than main mode. Okay. So payload, everything will remain same. Now one more thing I have explained you, that we have one more option which is doesn't have any use case. I can use ESP and AH both. So side to, so I am just showing you, this is also one kind of a practical with ESP and AH together. Okay. So again we need to change. Okay. Again we have to do this clear crypto scam. First and foremost thing is this no and do it. Done. Now because we have to delete that command, so what I will do, I'll open the notepad. Did I? No. Okay. We'll go to crypto map first. No to set transform set my set. Okay. Okay. Now no to crypto IPsec transform set my set AH charge mac. Okay, and then crypto IPsec transform set my set ESP 3 days H charge mark. Again, in this you cannot do netting. It's like double header. So overall, see if you have noticed in ESP, he's not doing authentication for outer IP header. So what they did, if you want both the functionality, you want end-to-end authentication also, combine these two. But that was not successful because even AH itself is not successful. So because of the netting per net concept, we can do netting and it is not encrypted. So now we'll use mode tunnel only, not an issue. Go back to and set transform set my set. Do show history. Okay, done. So let me initiate the traffic. Ping to 3.3. Okay, ACL I have not changed. A lot of things again and again. We have to modify no access list. Okay, done. But when I will open this, you will notice you have ESP also, AH also. He's saying actually ESP is carrying your inner IP header and ICMP. AH is saying my next header is ESP. IPv4 is saying my next header is AH51. So likewise. Here overall, if I will show you your ICMP, your IPv4, which is private, ESP, AH, and then source IP10, outer IP, header destination IP20. Okay, this is the encapsulation. If you notice extra 8 byte, but you cannot do netting here, double security they are saying, but it is of no use. We don't want 8 security. If it required in any application or somewhere what you are doing, then it is fine. But one of the mode I have told you, use cases are 0 here. So this is also we have done. One more I will show you, then we will continue tomorrow because other is VRF. So what if I will put VRF? Again, commands will change. So I'll do it. Side to side with VRF. So what we'll do, we'll put loopback and interfaces under VRF. Okay. And one, first of all, right now my concern is to create VRF, IPVRFA, interface 0/0, IPVRF forwarding A. It enter interface loopback 0 and we have type 1 of 10.1. Similar okay. Enter. Route 20.1.1.2. show IP route VRFA. You will see all the route. Okay. Now what change you have to do is first of all remove that pre-share key. And delete it. Now command will be changed here. How to give here pre-share key? All the things will change here only. Crypto. Now ISA camp. Sorry, here you have to create keyring. Keyring name I will give key. If you notice, he's asking which VRFA. Okay, for this VRFA, what is your pre-shared key? Pre-shared key address will be 20.1.1.1 and key 0 Cisco 123. Okay, come out of this and you have to create a profile now. Crypto ISA camp profile. You have to call your keyring here. Keyring called key match. One is your tunnel destination. My map one IP do show history. So this is okay. Okay, totally raw. I'll type it here first. This is for your aggressive. This is for your VRF, but I need to change the credential which I have not done. That's why I said I did wrong. shit, not copied that. Okay, now we'll initiate the traffic. See this ping to VRFA routing table now 3.3.3.3 with the source loopback 0. Should work. Not working. Should work. Work. Okay. So apart from that, everything is same. You do whatever combination, but we did ESPH combination, but I used a concept called VRF. Okay, so today I'll stop here. Out of little bit more we have to do. First is we have seen all these things. Okay, with IPsec. Now we have to see one troubleshooting part also, where I have to do manipulation. First, you have to do this practical. It will take time for you. So today's time you have, you can do it in the night. Nothing, you just need to manipulate the way I have done. Okay, so then we'll do one troubleshooting practical, and after that there is, let me just recall if any other concept left. ESP we did, I have shown you every possible thing. Okay, so troubleshooting after that will come to IPsec over GRE concept. There is something called GRE over IPsec and then SPTI. So tomorrow we'll try to cover all these things. Okay, so today I'll stop here.